Hi guys, welcome back to our video notes on domain and range. So here's example 1. Give the domain and range for each relation. Determine if the relation is a function. So in example A, I have a table that's connecting names to their scores. So my first names are my x values or my input, and the score, my output, are the y values. So my domain would be all of my possible x values. Bobby, Toya, Vicky, and Sarah. And then the range in set notation. Now these are an attempt to do braces. I'm going to draw them a little bit better this time. My range, and we always want to go from least to greatest, 88, 89, 90, 95, the set of my possible range. So I see every x value only maps to one y value. So yes, it is a function. If I look at example B, I could write this mapping of my x values to my y values as 4 different points. The first point would be 2 to 7. 2, 7, 2 to 6, 2 to 6, 3 to 6, and 7 to 1. So my domain are all of my possible x values. So my domain with my braces as a set, well, there's 2. It's there twice. I don't need to repeat it. 3 and 7 from least to greatest. And my range, 3 possible values, 1, 6, or 7. So remember, if a relation is a function, that means each x value only maps to one y value, or no, your x values are not repeated. I can see that 2 maps to both 7 and 6, which is why 2 is repeated here. So no, it's not a function. Lastly, here in part C, let's look at each of these points to see my relation. Well, this point here is -3, 1, -3, 1. This point here is -2, -1, -2, -1. This point here is 1, 2, 1, 2. And my last point is 1, -2, 1, -2. So there are all of my points listed out. So my domain as a set is all of my possible x values, -3, -2, and 1. My range is all of my possible y values for my relation, -2, -1, 1, and 2. So is this function a relation? That means every x value only maps to one y value, but I see 1 maps to 2 different points. And visually, I can see right here that it is 2 y values for this one x value. So no, it is not a function.